Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the process I did to make this beautiful blue iPhone 4S. The kit I used cost £2.99 and didn't come with any additional things. Let's start by removing the screws on the base of the iPhone 4S. Slide the back off the phone and being careful not to get any glass embedded in your hands. To install the new back, simply slide it on in the reverse way as to how we took it off. And there we have it, a beautiful iPhone 4S in the nice blue colour. I'm very pleased with the way this phone turned out. I will not be replacing the screen as yet as I have other things I need to purchase. This phone will remain in my collection for the foreseeable future, especially with this beautiful new blue back. I'd like to thank you for the support recently on the channel. Please like, subscribe and comment. Goodbye.